I've just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. I hope everyone's having a great day today because we woke up to take profits being smashed. Incredible. Look at that. Exactly down to the dollar. 106. I don't even, yeah, it went to a little bit, it didn't exactly hit the 105 psychological level, like a few cents underneath 106. So great that we were saying 106 is the technical target. Now the pattern's target has been met. We're getting this short-term bounce because the target was on the 786 fib. And of course, when we lose the 618, that's where we head to. But with the closure above the 786, it's giving us this pump that we see ourselves in today. But of course, I hope you guys took this trade. If you did, please do let me know down in the comment section below. If you did not take this trade and you missed it, or if you feel like you want to learn how to do it by yourself so you can spot it by yourself and take action by yourself, I can help you achieve these goals. Just simply message me over on my Twitter or my Instagram so we can get you started, whether that's the one-to-one mentorship or the course. Both include my Discord community chat with over 70 people analyzing the charts absolutely every day, helping each other out. So they were all actually talking about Quant early AMs in the morning because we have people in Australia, America, all over the world, guys. But yeah, you know me, I'm from England. So this is why I'm making the updates for you guys right now. But yeah, just simply message me over there. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, especially if you took this trade. Guys, very exciting times that we are dumping to this key level of support, because remember correctly, if we do lose $100, this psychological level, this green line right here at $100, if this were to be lost over here, then we could see price potentially coming all the way back down to $45. This is why I made a video the other week about $45 being a potential target. And in actual fact, guys, we've been talking about this ever since November over here. We had this bear market box that was calling for us. We were saying that in actual fact, we could go a little bit higher to what we're seeing over here with a 786 fib. We had a 786 fib at 190. So we were saying potentially we could come up as high as 190 and it could all be a fake run up. It could all be a dead cat bounce scenario and we still go lower and lower and lower. Now I was getting laughed at a lot for saying that back down here, but it's pretty much panned out. Yes, this might have taken 5-6 months or so, but it's panning out, isn't it, guys? So incredible. If you are a supporter of the channel, let me know if you were here ever since November and you saw that call where we're saying we could come up all the way even above the bear market box. But if we lose it, if we don't even get above it, this is when we can return back to $100, lose $100, and it opens up these targets over here where we do have one stop off between $77 and $83, simply because it's our range low over here. We have a wick down here as well as some wicks over here where we reversed and actually started this bull trend. So I'm interested in $77 to $83. Although by losing 100, that would mean we should expect 45. You could get a bounce that reclaims 100. If you reclaim 100, it means we're no longer going to 45. You can get above 100 and then lose it again, and we're going back down to 45. Yes, that's annoying, but this is a part of trading. Doesn't matter what market, stocks, forex, or crypto. But yeah, I've had a great week, honestly, guys. I took about 7 trades on forex, won 6 of them, and this quant trade as well. This is absolutely a great week for the community. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much more to say. Target's been met. Usually when a pattern's target's met, we do see some sort of reversal in the short term. That's why we're getting these bounces. Already bounced 3% since the 4% since the low. But can we now pump back into this and then continue lower? Or will we just form some sort of depleting momentum and we're just getting trapped in some small descending triangle here, and then we come back down to 100. It's all about 100, guys. The moment we go below it, 45 is on the cards, but currently we are above it, and the technical target, that was the aggressive one as well from up here to the neckline, has been met exactly on the 786 fib, which is actually the deepest you're allowed to retrace. Again, this is a big push up a rally, and we're currently retracing to key levels of support down here. But can we form a higher low and reclaim this golden pocket to push back into the bear market box? This would be one scenario. This would be the scenario that's on the cards at the moment, as we are still above 100. We could be looking for these bullish scenarios. Or are we just going to get this short-term bounce where we flip this into resistance, I need to see my bearish candlesticks over here. I need to see us holding this as resistance, M patterns, head and shoulders patterns, whatever. I just need shooting stars or anything, any of these bearish signals I need to find in this area over here and for continuation lower. So right now, again, as long as we are above 100, it's going to give us these these upward pushes. Doesn't necessarily mean we'll get above this, but as long as we're above this green box, our level of resistance is this gold box. So we're trapped within this range. You can actually see that this is the case when we look to the left over here. This is what I go through in in-depth detail, really in-depth in my course and in my mentorship. But simply look, this is our low and this is our high, but this is where we had a fake out. Look, we came back inside and retested as resistance. So this is my top and this is, well, this area is my bottom. So we're trapped between this and this, okay? So at the moment, as we are at support and not losing it, it's going to give us this chance to return to the resistance. Doesn't mean that we'll break through it. I'd love that to be the case. I'd actually love for it to break the low as well. I'm not too fast. If the bull market wants to begin and we get going, great. But if the bear market wants to continue, great. I will get to accumulate lower. I think we're so deep into this bear market now that it doesn't really matter what is going on. We're just being given this long period of time to accumulate slowly and slowly and slowly. That's why on this pump up, you don't go all in. And exactly as we're coming down, just coming down to this support, we're not going all in because there's potential 70 to 80, even 45 to $50. So this is what we've got ahead for Quant. I hope you guys did take this trade, but again, if you didn't, or if you just simply want to learn how to do this completely by yourself, so you don't have to wait for Louis to make a video on patterns and whatnot, then you can contact me through my link tree, which is in the top right corner here, or in the description underneath, or in the comment section pinned at the top. So just hit the link tree or hit the links to my crypto Twitter or my crypto Instagram, and I'll get back to your messages as soon as possible. But please understand that I only have 2 slots available for my mentorship. As I had 2 students that actually finished in these last 2 weeks. So yeah, those 2 slots are open. But again, if you want to do the course, that's something that you can do in your own time. You have access to that for life. It's 6 hours long with 30 plus videos, and you don't need any prior knowledge. And you'll be part of the Discord community where everyone's helping each other out daily. I could even briefly go over to my Discord over here, where we can go to review. No, we won't review past trades. We'll go to student trade ideas. So look, people are helping out. Look, Quant is breaking out of this head and shoulders pattern we were calling, and look, this was at the price of 121. So Fran over here was actually lucky enough to tell everyone in the chat, guys, watch Quant. It's actually broke down. This is when we're now going to $106. So if we go back to the Quant chart and we measure from where Fran was saying, guys, Quant is breaking down at $121, then look, even Fran himself gave potentially a 12% trade for free in the chat. So everyone's helping each other out. If you want to be part of it, 70 plus people and growing, let's try and hit 100 students in the next, well, hopefully before the end of the year. That would be absolutely amazing. And I'll catch you guys over in the Discord community. Thank you guys. I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship. It goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.